Ikigai. Ikigai. A reason for being. An ancient Japanese concept. And perhaps the most important idea you have never heard of. What is Ikigai? In Japan, Ikigai means a reason for being. The invisible force that gets you out of bed in the morning. Not out of obligation, but out of genuine desire. It is why people in Okinawa live past 100, without ever wanting to stop living fully. The framework. Ikigai lives where 4 questions overlap. What you love. What you are good at. What the world needs. And what you can be paid for. The center, where all 4 circles meet, is your reason for being. Pillar 1. Suki, what you love. The activities that make you lose track of time. Things you would do even if nobody paid you. Ask yourself, when was the last time you truly forgot to check your phone? That moment holds your first clue. Pillar 2. Tokua, what you are good at. Your natural strengths. Things that feel easy to you but difficult for others. We often dismiss our greatest gifts because they come so naturally. What do people always come to you for? The other 2 pillars. What the world needs. Your world can be your family, your neighborhood, your community. And what you can be paid for. Because sustainable purpose requires that your contribution is genuinely valued. 3 steps to find your Ikigai. First, the quiet audit, 10 minutes with no phone. Second, look for patterns across your answers. Third, start with Kaizen. 1 small daily action toward what matters. You do not find Ikigai in a breakthrough. You build it, slowly and beautifully. You do not need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin. Wabi teaches us the beauty of imperfection. Your Ikigai journey will be imperfect. There will be wrong turns and long silences. This is not failure. This is what a meaningful life actually looks like.